process today.
Before we proceed to do the food processing, let us to tell you the short story of Lumpiang Shanghai.
Do you know the story of Shanghai? The story of Shanghai spring rolls is that they are fried appetizer and Filipino cuisine, derived from Chinese spring rolls, but they have become a unique dish in the Philippines due to changes in ingredients and preparation. It consists of ground pork and various vegetables such as carrots, onions, and garlic, wrapped in a thin spring roll wrapper.
Being Filipino, even with Chinese roots, it is considered a Filipino dish because of the unique ingredients, seasonings, and spices used in the Philippines. It is usually smaller than thinner compared to other types of spring rolls, and it is the most common type of spring rolls in the Philippines. Hello everyone! So, karon among sugdan ang paghimo sa food processing. Enjoy watching! Karon among sugdan ang pagpalit sa carrots ug ang sayote. Karon among hugasan ang sayote ug ang carrots nga among gipanitan ganina ug isunod namo ang ground pork. Ang sayote ug ang carrots ato gamitan og grater aron siya mapino. Buhaton is ang onion o garlic. Ato silang hiwa-hiwaon aron mapino. So mao ning tanan mga ingredients na among himuon sa lumpiang Shanghai. These are the ingredients of Lumpiang Shanghai. First, we have ground pork, sayote, carrots, onion, garlic, soy sauce, salt, pepper, egg, and wrapper. I-mix ang mga ingredients tapos ato ilutoon aron ibutang sa wrapper. Karon, human na magluto ang mga ingredients na among mix ganina, so ang turon gusto na ron himong lumpia. Karon, ato i-open ang stove. Then butangan itog kaha, then butangan dig mantika. Ato na pabuton hantod mainit aron mabutang na natong mga lumpia. So karon, niinit naman ang mantika, amo na ibutang ang mga lumpia na amo giputos ganina. So karon, atong bali-balihon ang lumpia aron mapantay ang iyang pagkaluto. Dili pagod, dili hilaw. So karon, hawan ng luto ng lumpia. So thank you for watching guys. Goodbye.
Is that only prove? And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see. And this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece. And this is when the moments turn to memories. Memories. Deep breath in and I come alive. It's a feeling I remember for the